So hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this one I'm going to talk about how much time it actually takes to install the iQOO 12 and Android 12 update in the iQOO 7 device. Right now as you can see, this is the iQOO 7 device which I'm trying to use, and right now the download has been it's kind of close to completely finish as well. And let's see how much time it actually usually takes to complete install this installation package. And without any kind of permission, I think the phone will automatically restart. So it will get switch off without any indication. So usually some phones, they'll try to ask our permission that should we reboot now or later, but we don't get any such indication still yet in this device. So I wish they could have included some kind of warning message before you actually doing any kind of important activity. So that's the reason I don't advise any of the users to perform any important activity while pressing the download and doing the activity. Right now we'll see how much more time this Android 12 will take. Since this is the biggest update from Android 11 to Android 12, so this gonna take a little kind of some time. That's what I'm going to observe in this video, how much time it's gonna take to install. Again, I'll be back after some time, friends. So just to check what's going on, and there is no percentage indication what's happening here, and just only one line it came and just finished. Not bad, that's pretty fast. So in terms of the installation, and it's been 1 minute, and don't try to press any power button during this time of testing. So right now it's booting up right now, as you can see. So is that very simple to update? So let's see what's gonna happen next time. So usually even the security patch updates also sometimes it takes about 3 to 4 minutes of time, but there is the biggest update, 4 GB size update, and Android 12. So right now I guess that's it. So it's pretty fast, friends, the installation time. So nothing much huge time taking process at this moment in the iQOO 7 device overall. Right now you can see the logo, and the apps are optimizing for this new type of Android 12 interface and everything. So that's something you should know. Not bad. Finally, it's done in 2 minutes and 34 seconds of time. Yes, friends, complete update has been installed in the iQOO 7 device within just 2 minutes and 34 seconds of time. That's pretty fast, to be frank, if you ask me, for the normal like Android 12 the biggest update. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick installation time taken in the iQOO 7 device and in the Android 12. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.